Let's have you stand like right. Let me see. Oh, I love how you put the bell. Yeah, lean in just a little bit. Yeah. Okay, let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. We're taking a stroll. This car's kind of cool, but we don't want to get arrested.
The amount of times that you've said arrested?
That's my worst fear. Like, imagine I go to prison. Hey, what are you in for? Oh, I was taking pictures. Okay, Sophia, let's have you right here. Kind of like in this little divot. It's about finding like the small pockets of any area and then just transforming them. Facing me, yeah. I actually love the light here. It's so pretty. Love this, yeah. Let's have like your arms in.
My hair? Or?
Let's do one to the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, stay right there. Tilt your head more towards me. Like right here. Yep, stay right here. Don't move. Ooh, okay. I still have like a tiny phobia of dogs. So there's a lot of dogs over here. I don't know if I just ruined your hair. I'm over here like, you know, and I just made it worse. Oh God, I thought that was, okay.
Like if there's a dog, I'd lift you up.
So we have some beautiful light right now. Yeah, tilt your head more this way. Yes, we can get some of the back of the shirt. Oh, I like this pose. This is cute. Yes. How do me and Sophia get anything done? That's what I want to know. It's a miracle. It's a Christmas miracle.
It's a miracle.
Stop. I'm gonna punch you.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay.
Don't apologize. I love it. Yeah, I love that. Let's have you like straight on. Let's have you just like staring into, yeah. Looking here and not looking here. Yeah, stay right there. I want to get some of this flour in here. Okay, let's find one more spot and we haven't gotten in trouble. Maybe like right here? Maybe right here. Yes. Yeah, I love that. No, that song is stuck in my head. You raise me up, yeah. I heard somebody, we gotta go. We gotta abort. Okay, but there's a dog, it's fine. Maybe we'll go right here. I'm telling you, it is dog nation over here. We're outnumbered.
As long as you could get on top of a car.
They can jump on it.
Get on top of a car, you're fine.
Okay, that helps. Oh, no. It's okay, it's okay. Maybe we could be like crossing the street and not getting hit by a car. Yeah. And then let's just have you like walking in the street and then walking back towards me.
Remember our picture, this one? With the little, the white top, the butterflies.
Yes.
Reminds me of that.
Let's just have you like walking right here. So we'll just do a few and then walking back here. And then walk back this way. Jeez, be careful. No, there's a car, there's a car, there's a car. There's a car, there's a car, baby, there's a car.
Oh, look at her little mouth.
Oh, my baby. There's a car, please. We'll do the last few ones. Walk straight ahead and I'll get you, yeah. Oh my God.
She loves you.
I just don't want her to get hit. Okay. You are way too like innocent for this street. Okay, all right. Like walk more straight, yeah. Yeah, okay, let's walk back. Oh my God. You need to hurry, come on. Come on, where are you going? My cat could never, she's scared of everything. Come here. Bye, babe. Okay, so we had a lot of adventures today.
We found a ladybug named Juniper.
We saved it.
The cat.
Yeah, we saved his life.
Maybe we made it harder.
We probably made his life harder. And we took pictures. And I think the pictures came out amazing. We had some nice light, beautiful model, great makeup artist. Thanks for watching, guys. Let us know what you think of the pictures and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Adios.